Hi there. We are making aloo posto and dal today. This is a very popular Bengali veg combo that's perfect for a summer lunch. Cooked with very little spices, it's a very light meal. You'll be able to enjoy it with your folks. To support my channel, do subscribe. Click the bell icon to get updates. 4 to 5 tablespoons of khaskhas or posto. Put it into a mixer jar. 1 teaspoon of sarson. I'm using the yellow ones. If you don't have these, you could use the black ones as well. That also goes in. A bit of salt. Soak it in some hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. I've used 5 medium-sized potatoes that I've peeled and diced into small pieces. Wash them and soak them in water to get rid of the starch. I'm using a good quality mustard oil for cooking. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of pachforan or Bengali 5 spice. Some haldi powder. I'll see how much I add. Green chilies according to your taste. This has been soaking for 15 minutes now. Now is the time to grind it to a fine paste in the mixie. I'll add in a green chili along with it. You could add in more. That's how the paste looks. You could even do it with a mortar and pestle or on the silbatta. But the mixie works fine. To make the aloo posto or any other posto, heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Temper it with the pachforan. Once they stop spluttering, add in the potatoes. Cook for a minute on high heat. Season it with salt. Lower the heat to medium and then cook it till the potatoes have a light color on them. Now there are various aloo posto recipes. Almost every family has a different way of cooking it, but they all taste equally good. So this is how my mom makes it at home and I learned it from her. I'll add in a bit of water here, about half to 3/4 cups of water. Cover it and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Let's check on it. The potatoes are almost done. So this is the time that I'll add in a green chili that I have slit, and I'll add in a bit of haldi powder, about half a teaspoon. Now for the paste, the posto or the khaskhas paste. This is actually white poppy seed. It has many health benefits to it. So cook this along with the potatoes for about a minute. Check the seasoning and adjust it. Wash the bowl that had the paste in with a tiny bit of water and add it back into the pan or the kadai. And now all you need to do is cook down the water. The potatoes are cooked through and through. So once you're happy with how dry the mixture is, you can stop cooking. If you want it to have a slightly sticky gravy, then just let the water be. I like it fairly dry. That's it. Turn off the heat. This is kolayat dal in Bengali, also known as urad dal, dhuli, or black lentils without the skin. I'm using whole, you could use broken ones. You'll need 3/4 cups of urad dal. Wash them till the water runs clean and then soak them for about 10 minutes before you pressure cook them. The dal is cooked perfectly. To make the dal, you'll need a teaspoon of fennel seeds. This is the thick variety of sauf. To temper the oil, that's about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. And then add in a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Keep the heat low. Half a teaspoon of ginger paste or grated ginger. A tiny pinch of turmeric if you feel like. Haldi is really not required in this recipe. I added in a bit of dal to get it going. Green chilies, you can add them in whole or slit, but this dal is supposed to taste mild. This yellow color is due to the mustard oil. Let that come to a boil. Season it with salt and a bit of sugar. Half a tablespoon of it. Add in a bit more of water. Send me your feedback in the comments, and if you like the recipe, share it with your friends. I'll add in half of a green chili that I've de-seeded. This dal is really supposed to be a mild one and especially good in the summers. Now that has been boiling on low heat for a couple of minutes. So I just turn off the heat and the dal is ready. Serve aloo posto and dal with rice and a slice of lemon. Enjoy!